Don't you have your own property yet? Do you want to move into your own new property? If you invest today or tomorrow or next week or next month or even next year, it's the same thing, you will still invest in your own property. But do you know what's lost if you don't invest now? That is the time when you will be living in your own home, and you would have saved money while the subdivided lots are even cheaper. So invest now and I will help you realize the property of your dreams. With our free tripping and choose a portion of land today. For queries and schedule of free tripping. Josefina Village Subdivision in Barangay Colilang, San Carlos, Pangasinan. Reservation fee is 5,000 only. And down payment of 30% to your total contract price. This is deductible to your TCP. With 1 to 5 years installments. Located near town proper of Malasiqui 3 kilometers and San Carlos City Pangasinan 4 kilometers. Josefina Village is accessible public transportation, flood-free village, peaceful community located and near to your basic needs like shopping malls, universities, government offices and most of all safe. Ongoing construction of amenities inside the village, multipurpose center, adult and kiddies swimming pool, parks and playground, basketball court, gate with guardhouse 24 hours on duty, perimeter fence, waterways, waterworks by perimeter, power supply, internet line like PLDT, converge, good data signal landscape open space where families can be bonding together. Also available a commercial lot in front of the village best for commercial purposes. Which provincial road to San Carlos to Malasiqui. And for those who have already availed the lot, we have a best architect in Josefina Village who can build your dream house. I can introduce you to many examples of house designs. Contact your accredited real estate agent for site visit or online reservation. Connect to our different social media platform like Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok to stay connected with us.